There are several things that need to be done during strawberry maintenance. Ripping or pruning the old leaves is used to maximize plant growth, accelerate fruiting, and increase the crop yields. The old leaves on plants can be considered as parasites. That's why we need to remove the old strawberry leaves, so the nutrients is more focused on the plant growth and producing fruit. Is weeding. It is important in maximizing the nutrients for the plants. Remove the stalks of fruit that have been picked in the harvesting. It is useful to accelerate the growth of new flowers and fruit. Remove the secondary fruit and a branch of fruit stalk, and keep only the primary fruit. Watering strawberry plants twice a day, the morning and evening, using the regular hose. Do the watering regularly, especially in the critical phase of the plant, which is in the early planting and early generative phase. Make sure there's enough moisture in the planting medium, do not let it too dry. One of pest in strawberry plant is slug. It's eating the strawberry fruit. To overcome slug attacks, we can immediately remove or throw them away if we find them, or we can use the anti-slug pesticides.